a unique Georgian-inspired residence in Chandler, Queensland, Australia, a masterclass in symmetry and affluence. This immaculate estate is surrounded by dreamy, manicured grounds. Enter through the front gates onto a private driveway leading to a tiered fountain, framed by stunning baroque statues and a welcoming porte. This impressive 7-bedroom home exemplifies ultimate family living. The interior of the home has been luxuriously detailed with impressive marble staircases, Spanish crema marble flooring, and rendered concrete. A vast lounge and formal dining space forms the heart of the home, with stunning wrought iron banisters and chandeliers forming a circlet on the level above. Setting the tone for upscale luxury, the southern entrance begins with an extended gallery. The upper floor of this home is the perfect family retreat, comprising 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a guest room with private ensuite and balconies. The master suite is the absolute height of luxury, featuring an enormous walk-through robe, generous ensuite with bath and dual basin vanity, and access to 2 separate Juliet balconies. The western wing of the ground level is spacious, with open living areas incorporating a family room, casual dining area, and kitchen. The expansive kitchen features a range of European appliances, a walk-in pantry, cold room, and custom-built wine cellar. Also located on this ground level are a 6-seat home theater, dance room, home office, games room, laundry, and gymnasium. Ideal for embracing the outdoors, French doors offer access to the terraces, courtyards, patios, and alfresco entertaining areas that surround the home. Located at the rear of the residence, the crowning jewel of the property is the sparkling 20-meter lap pool, flanked by lawns and paved sunbathing areas for poolside serenity, manicured rear grounds, featuring a rolling lawn, hedgerows, large pond, and a helipad, complete with this sprawling outdoor space. The home was sold for $4,400,000 on July 2020.